3 measures of Gordon's,
1 of vodka,
half of Lillet.
shake it over rice, and then add a thin slice of lemon peel.
Got it? That's how James Bond orders the famous Vesper in Sir Ian Fleming's 1953 novel Casino Royale that was made into a movie starring Daniel Craig in the early 2000s. So we're gonna make one of those today. We're going to use 3 parts gin. We're gonna use Old Tom gin today. It's a New Mexican distilled gin. We're gonna use our 1 part of vodka with Tito's, and we're gonna use our half pour of Lillet. Shake with ice until it's very cold. And then top with our lemon twist. Express some of our lemony goodness. Cheers. Perfectly bruised, very liquor forward, shaken, not stirred, a drink fit for a spy.
You know, that's not half bad.
Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can keep up with all the fun things going on here at Vernon's Speakeasy. Click the button below so that you can come in and try some of these fabulous cocktails yourself. Cheers.